Today I'm in Yarmouth on the Isle of Wight, the west side of the island, and I'm just walking along this pier, which is supposed to be the oldest wooden pier in the UK. It was about 200 metres long, and now I think it's only 186. And if we spin around here, you can see we have the Whitelink Ferry behind me. It's just about to depart. The cars are loading. So yeah, let's have a look at this pier. I'm accompanied by a colleague, David. He's come with me today. That's a nice yacht. Oh God. They're not boarding yet. So yeah, look at that thing. That is awesome. Unusual. Who the hell knows how to disable their car alarm?
There's no lock it, or you lock it by key, don't you?
It looks like there's another sort of passenger ferry here. Yeah. Key to key. I guess it's this thing here. Yeah, it is. So that's where you go in then. That's where you wait for passengers. Oh, can you go up there? Look? Can we go up there? It's a restaurant, isn't it? Yeah, the terraced.
It's closed.
Yeah, unfortunately. That's what you could have had. Little pharmacy. Is that a baker's? Homemade cakes. News agents. £35, that's not too bad if you're a Land Rover freak. Should we have a look over here? The Buggle Coaching Inn. Yeah. Gossip's Cafe, Yarmouth. Is that for me?
Oh, do you want it? Like 100 slices of bacon.
Oh, perfect. My heaven.
Yes, contact us. It's only for us. I thought we could go down
We can. Just got to pay.
It's at 9p. I'll do it too.
£1. Oh, they got cash. It takes cash as well.
Yeah, it's a 2. I set that. Is that right?
I've got.
Please present your card or your mobile phone.
Right.
Authorizing.
Oh, I didn't realise you had to pay, but
Thank you.
I don't mind paying £1.
I'll pay for 2. Is that it?
Cheers.
Do I not get a ticket or anything? Alright, well, you don't give us a ticket. No, I don't. I'll do 2.
That's nothing.
Alright, well.
All right.
Did it.
Cheers, mate. Thanks. All these. Yeah, don't drop anything through these boards. Bloody phone will go down there. Tony Taylor, rest in peace. Love always. That cab's quite nice. Ferry.
This is the end. Hold your breath and thoughts of you in my mind. I wonder all the time.
White Sun London.
I wanna run away to you. I wanna run away to you. One must wonder. I wonder, when will I return?
That's an aeroplane. As long as Karen doesn't tell you, report you.
Memories of you. The way you take me away. Touch you still and I try to hide. Struggle to keep inside. You must be tired. 'Cause you're racing in my mind.
Cat shark.
Yeah,
That's what another name for them is.
cool. Cat shark. What's the other name?
Dogfish.
Dogfish.
Or, from the chip shop, rock salmon.
Ah.
That's what they used
Are
to
you
use
gonna
for rock
Are you
salmon.
going to put it back,
Yeah.
or are you going to eat it?
No, I wouldn't eat it. Some people do, but like, you couldn't take that, it's too small.
Yeah.
It's got to be 39 centimetres.
Yeah.
Memories of you. The way you take me away. Touch you still and I try to hide. Struggle to keep inside.
It's definitely a door. It's like your own private room, isn't it?
'Cause you're racing in my
Sorry, mate. Yeah. It's nice in here. Got a little eater down there. It's cute. Dolphin Cottage. piers are falling off. So what is it called? Warner Leisure Hotels. And it says Norton Grange Coastal Village Holidays just for grown-ups. So it's a swingers club. Is this erectile dysfunction centre that you was talking about? Look at that. The gun casement. These arches are the original emplacement or casement in which the fort's artillery was installed. HMS Gladiator exhibition. These are all staff. What's this? Cafe Verdi. Maybe it's just people going for a walk. What time is it? It's the back of the cafe. Just over there is Hurst Castle on the mainland. There's both of the White Link ferries, Lymington to Yarmouth.
He said that, he immediately called for backup. Several other officers came. He got back in his car. This thing pulled the person or whatever into the woods, the body, whatever.